Hi everyone, I'm Andrea Ward and this is my developed answers presentation. And the first question that I came up with was, what will I do to fulfill my motivations? And something that someone commented on my initial post from the discussion board was to write goals. And it made me think of something that my best friend told me is, if you want to be motivated to do something, is to actually physically write goals on a piece of paper and to hang it up anywhere on your wall in your room or on your fridge, something that you're going to see every day. So it'll be like a reminder for you to do it and to really motivate you to do it that day and be productive. And the second question I came up with was, what can I do to challenge myself? And I think the best way to challenge yourself is to get yourself out of your comfort zone. Something that we all have a challenge with is to get out of our shell and do something that, well, it's going to make us uncomfortable and just kind of scared to do because it's new. But I think one person who can definitely help you is Heavenly Father, to pray for Him. And if you have serious intent for this challenge and you want to succeed, Heavenly Father will definitely help you and help you gain that confidence to accomplish that goal. And it made me think of a personal experience when I was starting a new job at a physical therapy practice a couple years ago. The first day of training, I was really overwhelmed because it was just a lot of information and I was afraid of messing up and making a fool out of myself, honestly. But I prayed every day to Heavenly Father to help me build that confidence and to have the Spirit with me to guide me every day. And that summer was probably one of the best summers of my life. Made some awesome friends with my coworkers and some patients as well. The third question I came up with was, how will I continue to stay motivated? And I just think if the first set of goals that you came up with were successful, definitely keep going with that. That's definitely motivation enough to just keep going, and to if it works, it's definitely going to work if you keep doing that throughout your life. And a quote that I really liked from Elder Dieter of Uchtdorf, what is now is the best time to start becoming the person you want to be. And I also love this other quote from Thomas S. Monson. It's in the doing and not just the thinking that we may accomplish our goals. So those are my 3 questions. And yeah, thank you for watching my video.